Hey YouTube, so this is my first video. I'm doing a little bit of a soft glam look. As you can see, this is the finished product. I mean, it is super like glam, but it also has that little, you know, like natural vibe. Anyways, so yeah, this is my first video. My name is Ashley, second name Michelle. That's why my channel is called Makeup by Michelle. So hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and put on your post notifications so every time I post a video you will get it on your phone right away. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So today we'll be starting with skincare. So I'll be using Biotherm, which is one of my favorite brands at the moment. I've been using it for about a year and my skin has been looking pretty good. So I'm going to be going in with their toner. So I have a nice fresh face, just wash my face. Now we're going to be going in just with the toner. This toner smells like essential oils, and I don't know if any of you love essential oils, but oh my god, it literally smells so good. Good. Next I'm just be going in with a little bit of serum, also by Biotherm. And then just a little bit of cream. And this is all staying with the anti-pollution skin oxygen brand that they came out with last year. Okay, so we'll be starting with brows. I've been using this crayon. It's called No Bare Brows. You can get this in any pharmacy here in Canada. It's like this texture which is not like a normal wax, if I can say. It's like it has this amazing texture that makes your brows look super natural and like really not drawn on. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So next we'll be going in with Smashbox 24-hour photo finish eye primer. So I'm going to be going with that on my lids as a base. This has been my #1 for years. I love this primer. Never use any other one. Just putting that on. Good. It's getting tacky. Perfect. Now I'm going to be going in with my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to be going in with a little beigey color, which is called Tempera. So just going in with that on the lid to set the primer. Little circular motions. Tap the excess off. So I finally started my YouTube. Took me forever, but I finally got my computer, my Mac. So if you want to know a little bit about me, I am a makeup artist. I went to school here in Montreal called Collège Interdec. Got my professional makeup artist degree. And it's been a year now that I've been working as a cosmetician in a pharmacy, which, for anyone who doesn't know what pharmacy is, it is a local drugstore, but like a really well-known one here in Canada. And yeah, that's what I've been doing for a year now, and I love it. Now going in with this color called Golden Ochre, which is just a nice, not a mustard color, but in the beigey yellow tones. So going lightly with that, as it's going to be my transition color. This is like one of my go-to colors. As you can see, I've literally used this so much. It's just a really natural looking color. If some of you are wondering, since I did say my name is Ashley, my second name is Michelle, so that is why my YouTube is called Makeup by Michelle. I use Michelle because my mom, actually when I was born, spelled it really differently. Like, I think there's not much people that have it spelled the way I do, M-I-S-H-A-L-E-Y. So yeah, so I thought that it would be the best way to, you know, make my Instagram and make my YouTube that way, with like a name that's not very popular. Okay, now I'm going to introduce you to my favorite wipes ever. They're from Uriage, so they come from France. They're made with thermal water. They are the most amazing wipes. I'll be going in with the color Primavera, which is a nice soft gold color. I'll be using my little Fix Plus. I love my little Fix Plus. Going in with like a little brush. Wet that a little bit. love wetting my shadow brush right before I go in with like nice pigmented colors like this. So look at that color. I'll be going in with the Voluminous mascara. I'll actually be going in with the waterproof just before I put my lashes on, just to coat them a little bit. My lashes are so tiny. So I'll just be coating them a little bit. See those little things? I swear. Thank God lashes exist, because I don't know what I'd do. So I've already got my lashes on. I'm just going to coat them with a little bit of mascara just to blend in my bottom lashes with my top ones. So this is why I like going for a more natural look, but wear fake lashes. I love lashes so much. So I will be taking another one of these wipes, the Uriage Thermal Water Wipes, just to remove whatever's left before I prime my face before foundation. So I will be priming my face with the One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Serum by Stila. Love. Now I will be going in with an orange concealer, which this has been like my go-to. So it's the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So just taking the Real Techniques sponge, I will just be putting it under my eyes. I actually got this concealer today. It's by the brand Annabelle, another Montreal, Quebec brand. So this is the shade medium. So going with that under my eyes. I'll be using Dermablend's new foundation, which is the drop. So it's called the Flawless Creator. I'm in the shade 25N. So now I'll be using this little quote, which you can get this at Pharmaprix. Just a little buffing brush to put my foundation on. So going in with this. Light to medium coverage with 1 or 2 drops. And let's say you put like me, which I put actually a couple of drops, but anyways. So 3 to 4 or 4 or more in my case will be full coverage. Now I will be putting on some Fix Plus before I do another layer of concealer and my powder. So now that everything is set, I'll be going in with my concealer once again. Right before I am going to put my powder and set this face. Hopefully this concealer lasts me all day. As long as it's all day. So I will be going in with the Dermablend. I used to use M.A.C. Still love it, but now I'm hooked on this, and I always find when we use products with the same brand, they just go really well together. So with this foundation, I find that it goes super well. So I'll be going in with my Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. Going in with my Sigma brush, my soft angled contour brush. I take these 2 shades right here. So just a little bit of these 2. Tap out the excess. Chisel out those cheekbones. So going in with a little bit of blush from this Book of Beauty Pixi by Petra palette. Just going in with this cute little pink color. So before we put highlight, I'm just going to be going in with a black pencil. So just going in there. My L'Oreal Voluminous waterproof mascara on my bottom lashes, my little bottom lashes. So 2 more steps missing, a little bit of highlight and then a lipstick. So, wetting my brush before putting my highlight on, I'm actually using Physicians Formula highlighters. This one's in rose gold. These are so pigmented. Love them. So just putting a little, not trying to go crazy. So going in with Subculture lip liner by M.A.C. I'll just be lining my lips ever so slightly. I will be going in with Huda Beauty. This is in the color Trendsetter. Oh, I love this color. Yeah. So this is my finished look. I'm just gonna add some Fix Plus. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and put on your post notifications too. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon. Thank you.